on, guys? Today is Saturday. It's about like 11 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if you guys can tell I'm sick. My daughter's been sick, so she got me sick. But that doesn't matter though, because I'm still gonna do this vlog for you guys. My throat is killing me. My body's killing me. Hopefully you guys can hear me, because I'm in the Jeep right now. There's a lot of wind noise. But basically today I'm taking my big boy out, my Jeep. I'm gonna install this tow hitch in the back. My girlfriend's cousin right now is getting his car paint corrected, doing a paint correction on his car, polish, paint seal and everything to get the car looking super fresh. And he's gonna come over and we're gonna install the Invidia exhaust. So it should be a pretty good day. Hopefully I can manage to stay up because I'm tired. My throat hurts when I swallow, pause. I drank 2 teas last night, so I feel a little bit better than yesterday. I did something stupid yesterday. I drank a tea within like 4 hours from each other, and you're really not supposed to. And my head felt like I felt like I was super lightheaded. I felt like I'm on a roller coaster ride because it's too much. I don't know what's in it, but you can't take. You gotta take them like within a certain amount of hours, and I didn't read it. I ended up feeling like I was on a roller coaster, and I ended up falling asleep. But thankfully, I feel a little bit better today. So I'm on my way to my dad's job right now. I'm gonna be there within probably 10 minutes. My dad's coming from the Bronx. He just put a new windshield in his car because his front windshield broke. So it should be a pretty good day, guys. So get this morning started. All right, so I went into an issue. So the video that I saw, the other bumpers are plastic. I have the Rubicon bumpers. So the bumper is steel and it's like a little bit thicker. So I don't know how we're gonna be able to fit the tow hitch in there because it literally has like that much space. And the other bumpers, the tow hitch had like that much space. So I do not know how we're gonna get this done. So we're gonna just put it on the lift and look underneath and see how we can put it on. Or if maybe we're probably gonna have to take off the bumper. So yeah, there's always something. So let's see how we're gonna make this work. This car looks, it's crazy, a brand new car, but this thing gets rusted automatically. It's a brand new car. It's only it's only a year old, but this thing looks like it's pretty easy to work on. Is this the oil pan? Look how small this thing looks. Holy shit. But this thing looks pretty easy to work on. Look at the exhaust. There's a gas tank right here. We gotta take out these 4 bolts, and then this right here comes out, and we should be good. Alright, so this bracket, once you take these 4 bolts out, take it out, bracket just comes right out, and then the tow hitch, this part just goes right in through here to the other side, and the long bolts go from here all the way into here. And the other short bolts we have will go in from here to here if you don't have the Rubicon bumper. So this one's a steel bumper, so you need to go from here to here. So that's why the original ones is longer than those gold ones. There's that little, I see it, there you go. Like this one first. Yeah, down here, so I can see. Alright, so you just hold it right here. You just put the bolts in the back, screw into the bumper, we should be good. Alright, already installed it. Pretty easy. Now we're gonna get the torque wrench and torque it down. Should be good. Now I just gotta put the ball on and we should be good. Oh snap. Boom. But just like that. Anybody get close to me, I'm gonna just back up and kill their car. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah. I didn't even know it comes with a little pin, but my dad has the pin with the key, so I'm gonna use that one so they won't take it, so they won't steal it. So I'm gonna just give it to my dad for now. He's gonna give me the one with the lock. And all I gotta do now is just run this wire, and I'm good to go. Now I gotta get down a little bit, but all I gotta do now is just take off the tail light and just run the wires. It's pretty easy. So this is pretty easy. Basically, one gets connected to the harness, the other one gets connected to the back of the light. That. So I gets clipped in here, and you just take this harness, clip, and literally that's it. All it is. Then you take this ground wire and just drill it in here to like a ground, and then there's like a grommet down in here. There's a grommet down in here, and just run the wire through to the bottom. You zip tie it, and you're good to go. So I just went to the store, guys. Got me a sandwich. Therefore, I am literally like dying. My body is aching me. My whole body hurts. But it ain't stopping me from vlogging, guys. My girlfriend's cousin is on his way now. He's on his way now. He just got the paint correction, so we're gonna check that out and install his exhaust. But I'm gonna eat and relax for a little bit before he comes because my body is hurting. I have chills all over. It's terrible, and it's like 30 degrees outside. Man, look how this shit came out. Paint correction looks crispy. Whew. Ready for Honda Day. Got the full exhaust in.
Oh, that's a fit.
So basically, take out those 3 bolts. You gotta take that screw out there. We gotta hit it out, and then it just comes right out all the way to the back. Take the hanger out, and we just gotta put all these on piece by piece. Nah, it's not like super hot type shit. He might get the bigger gun.
There you go. There you go.
Right, got the old exhaust out. Came out in one piece. Super easy.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with.
Now take the old hangers out, reuse them.
And you deserve. And you deserve. And you deserve. And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone with heart. Missing someone. Normal. I am sad.
Rev it! All the way! Sounds pretty good, not that loud, it's good. issue. You might have to return it though. Because where the flange is at is vent, so like the air's coming out to the bottom. You can leave it like that, just gonna leak a little bit of air. The final product. It's pretty good. Fresh paint. Alright, you good. Come back, come back. All the way back. Now go forward. Go forward. Flip. Go. Step on it, go. Step on it, step on it.
He about to step on it.
All right.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So we just finished. I'm heading home now. I'm gonna get some cool like little rolling shots of my cousin's car. Then I'm gonna go home and bring my lights to the painter. But I'm gonna end the vlog probably as soon as I get home, because I don't want to show you guys the paint shop, because I've been going like every day or like every other day to capture the car, like the stages of the car, so when the car is done I can put everything together. You guys can see from step to step how it was. So I'm heading home now and I'm gonna get some footage of my cousin's car on the highway.
Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Sis got blah boy, sis got blah boy. Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well.
So I'm about to test out this grit, but we're about to test it on the car. It says it removes like dust and all that, so I'm about to try it. Only the best for my car and for his car now that they got the paint correction, clay bar and all that. So I'm gonna also use Chemical Guys towels. See how this goes. So far, doesn't leave any swirls, anything behind. Has dust, but look at that. No swirl marks or nothing. So this supposedly like picks up dirt and anything else on the paint, and it makes the like paint really pop, which it is. That's why I got it for my paint. Look at this paint. I can literally see myself. This thing is amazing. And I'm doing it the same way. I looked up some little detailing videos. You know, side to side, no swirls. Just flip it around, buff it out. Doesn't even leave any residue, no streaks, no nothing. Look at this. Guys, hit me up. Hit me up with that sponsorship. So I just came back from the paint shop. Car's looking good. They're gonna really work on it on Monday. So I was curious. I was like, hey, we're really cool or whatever. So basically, I asked them, hey, if I take out my motor out of my car, how much will you charge me to paint the whole engine bay? Basically, he gave me like a super good price, because obviously I'm gonna be promoting their their shop and all of that. So he said if I want to even take out the motor, sand it down myself for it to be easy for him, he can actually come to my backyard, paint it in one day, let it dry for like 2, and put the motor back in. So that's something that I think I'm not even thinking, I am gonna do it. I'm gonna do it in the summertime. I'm gonna drop the motor on my dad and probably Julio, take it out to the side, have the dude come in, sand it. I'm gonna sand it myself, I'm gonna sand the whole engine bay, have him come in, paint it. Probably gonna paint it like a really good color, because he's gonna actually use car paint and real clear coat and everything. Let it dry, throw the swap in, and we're good to go. I'm actually gonna this time I'm actually gonna paint the engine and all that too. I'm gonna do it all right this time. So hopefully by the summertime, this car should be like a completely transformed car from what it is. But I'm heading back home right now. I'm still hella sick. We're driving in the car. Car sounds amazing, drives amazing, looks amazing. But catch you guys when I get home.
Yo!
Put your hands up!
It hurts. Oh, yeah,
Why y'all killing me?
I'm still sick, guys. What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna close out the video now. Feel a little bit better. I can see I'm still sick. Still ended up doing a vlog. I'm committed to this. Car looks amazing at the paint shop. Hopefully you guys are ready for that. He said probably by Saturday or before that. Damn, I should have the car back. So I'm looking forward to that, guys. So if you're new, please subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Look how sick I am, and I still vlog for you guys. Look how sick I am, and I'm still vlogging for you guys. I'm super committed to this. 2018 is gonna be a really big year. I have a lot of big plans coming up for 2018, which is the car paint. I want to redo the engine bay, like I told you guys. A lot of car shows, a lot of events. It's a lot of things in general that I want to do this year. So hopefully you guys are ready for that. I have another video coming out for you guys. So I have a lot of videos coming out. So please stay tuned. And yeah, guys, until next time, guys. Peace out.
I am king of this new shit. 7 rings and a pool stick. 8 ball and a sway roll. Rock stars don't say no. This beat so plain though, I forgot.